Hi, my name is Daniela and today I'm going to read two stories taken from the book Goodnight, Stories for Rebel Girls by Elena Favilli. The first story I'm going to read is about Wintour, an editor-in-chief. Once there was a girl who had a style all her own. From a young age, Anna was captivated by the world of fashion. It called to her from the glossy pages of magazines and the vibrant London streets where she lived. Anna's father, a respected newspaper editor, encouraged his daughter's interests. With his help, Anna got her first job at a high-end boutique when she was 15 years old. Shortly afterward, she started taking fashion design classes, but she quickly grew tired of them. You either know fashion or you don't, she thought, and it was clear Anna knew fashion. At 20, Anna got her first job at a fashion magazine. For the next few years, she worked at many different magazines in London and New York. In 1988, Anna was hired for the job that made her famous in the fashion world. She became editor-in-chief of Vogue. Right away, Anna was determined to follow her instincts. For her very first cover, she had a model wear a 10,000 jeweled top with a pair of ordinary jeans. It was so unusual that at first some people thought it was a mistake. But Anna wasn't afraid to try new things. 30 years later, Anna is still the editor-in-chief of Vogue. Although she is known for her trademark look, a bob haircut and oversized sunglasses, she is more than simply a style icon. Her bold ideas, take charge attitude, and focus on philanthropy have helped change the world of magazines and fashion for the better. And her motto was, people respond well to someone who's sure of what they want. And the second story I'm going to read is about a politician called Anne Hidalgo. Born in San Fernando, Spain, Ana Maria Hidalgo and her family moved to France when she was a child. They lived in a working-class neighborhood full of fellow immigrants. Ana Maria grew up speaking two languages, Spanish to her parents and French to most everyone else. As a teenager, Ana Maria changed her name to Anne and became a French citizen. Today, she has both French and Spanish citizenship. In school, Anne studied social services and law, planning to one day work in government. After moving to Paris, she worked in civil service for many years and eventually became deputy mayor in 2001. Anne spent 13 years as deputy mayor, working for the people of Paris. But she wanted to do more. In 2014 elections, Anne ran for mayor. Some people didn't think she would win because of her immigrant background, but more people seemed to think this experience made her a good candidate. And they were right. She won the election. For hundreds of years, Paris had been an important center for politics, business, art, and fashion. And it had many leaders, from military generals to kings to mayors. But no woman had ever been in charge until Anne. Since taking office, Anne has championed climate change issues. She wants to help create a greener world. And she knows the importance of starting right where you are. My vision for Paris is a green city where we can all breathe fresh air, share open space, and enjoy our lives. So, let's talk about fashion. Can you mention another fashion magazine besides Vogue? And about politics. If you had to be a politician, what changes would you do to your country or city?